Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious donuts using a simple bread base. This easy guide will walk you through each step, from preparing your ingredients to the final glaze. You'll learn how to transform ordinary bread into a delightful treat in just a few simple steps. Get ready to create some amazing homemade donuts that everyone will love, perfect for any occasion. It's a fun and quick way to enjoy a classic dessert. First, let's prepare our bread base. You'll need about 8 slices of day-old white bread. This texture works best. Carefully trim off all the crusts from each slice. Then, soak the bread in 1/2 cup of warm milk for approximately 5 minutes. After soaking, gently squeeze out any excess milk. This step is crucial for achieving the right consistency for your donut dough, ensuring they aren't too wet. Now, let's create our donut dough. Combine the soaked bread with 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then lightly knead the dough on a floured surface until smooth. Use a round cutter, approximately 2½ inches in diameter, to cut out your donut shapes. Fry them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Finally, it's time to glaze your delicious creations. Prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. While the donuts are still warm, dip each one into the prepared glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Allow any excess glaze to drip off before placing them on a wire rack. Serve your homemade donuts immediately for the absolute best taste and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.